for Additional Solicitor General, you want to respond? If roads are dug up, if every effort is made to barricade the farmers when they want to come and protest peacefully, and I stress the word peacefully, at the Ram Leela Maidan or Jantar Mantar, can any government deny them? The right to movement of the farmers should not be of a manner that they are restricted at the borders of Delhi. Why not allow them to protest at Ram Leela Maidan? What are you worried about? What is the government scared of?
Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai,
yes,
we are missing a very important point, that the government of India offered them a place in Delhi, Bargari. Some of the farmers had gone there also, but later on the leadership said, no, we don't want to shift to Delhi. We want to sit here, we want to protest here. And if you go through the statements given by various leaders before they started marching to Delhi, their statements were that we will gheraw Delhi. We will gheraw Delhi from all the sides. We will not allow the milk, vegetables, etc. to go to Delhi. And we will force the central government to withdraw the 3 acts. Now they are acts, they are no more the ordinances. By forcing the closure of Delhi. These were the statements made earlier. And anyhow, it was the leadership of the farmers which ultimately rejected the offer of the central government to move to Bargari, which is within Delhi, where large number of people could be accommodated. You know Ram Leela Maidan, we know Jantar Mantar Road. The number of people who have come with their tractors, trolleys and all that, is it possible that all of them can be accommodated in Ram Leela Maidan? Could they be accommodated in Jantar Mantar Road? So they were given the place in Delhi, but for the reasons best known to the leadership, they decided that no, we will not go to Delhi.
VM Singh, respond to what is being suggested by Satyapal Jain. Your convener, All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee. There are groups of farmers who have said we want to gheraw the national capital. These have been on record statements. They have said that we will be here at the borders and in a way block traffic entering Delhi. The question
Rajdeep,
therefore is, to that extent, the right to protest cannot be a right without reasonable restrictions.
Very well. First, let me get back to the right to life or right to protest. After these bills were brought in, they encroached upon our right to life. Therefore, the protest. Try and understand this. Our right to life was encroached upon by the bills, therefore the protest. And now let me get back to Borari or what Mr. Jain is talking about. What Mr. Jain is talking about, I personally applied to the government of, the Commissioner of Delhi for permission for Ram Leela Maidan or any other spot on 1st of November. If they had given Ram Leela Maidan, nobody would have got their tractors. They refused me permission. They refused the permission on 3rd or 4th of November. And they said nobody can come to Delhi. That is why people got their tractors and trolleys and they wanted some place to stay. Ram Leela Maidan could have housed everybody. They wouldn't have got their tractors then. Besides the point, Borari was given on 27th after all this happened. 27th afternoon at 11 o'clock, I was at Borari again when all the people from Punjab, Haryana, everyone decided and asked me to go there and get this land for them. But the point here is very simple. What are we doing today? Are we making this into a national tamasha? Are we? Today, when the matter has gone to court, Dushan Dave will agree with me, I have been fighting for the farmers for almost 30 years and he's been supporting us lots of times. We have got a lot of orders from the court, but this current thing, if a committee is also made, it's a vacation now. If an application is sent before the vacation, then...
No, I want to stick to the right to protest. I want to stick to the right to protest. The question is, can your right to protest include gherawing the national capital in a manner that, according to the government, essential supplies at times are not being allowed in? The prices of vegetables and milk have gone up.
Sorry. The prices of vegetables have gone up because of the bills. The day the bills were passed, I think it was sometime in September, immediately the prices of onions and potatoes shot up. The prices of dals, atta, everything shot up. Why? Nobody was in Delhi that time. It is because of the bills that you started hoarding.
Can you protest, sir, with due regard, can you protest on a national highway in a manner that blocks traffic?
This is now. You're talking about the bills. The right to life started, you have encroaching upon our right to life by getting these bills. Farmers are committing suicide. What do you expect them to do? If they are coming in today and they are protesting peacefully, we have in Ghazipur, we've opened up one road. People are coming, going, whatever they're doing. They are not being stopped. It's very peaceful. It is the government that is stopping us today. The police is barricading. Police is stopping. Everything is done by the government under the garb of what they are doing.
Okay.
They are just shooting from our shoulders. There is no protest. That is, I mean, today the farmers are
saying that the protests. You're saying that the protests are integral to your right to life. That's an interesting argument in a way also to make, because you claim that the farm laws are linked to your right to life. Bibian,